um, and however you design it, it's up to you. What I mean is that in here, if you want to use that database design, the GUI interface, that's okay too. But I still need the command. Okay. So once you design it, if you use the interface, then you can do a let's see if it runs in here. Have you tried creating tables using the GUI interface? No? The GUI interface. Let me show you really quick before we go. You'll see how easy it is. It can be easy. And then
is that the script table to create?
The script table to create is that's after you create a table, it will give you the actual script how the table was created. So if you were to design it and the using the GUI interface, then you can go back and then use
That's
this.
what you would want.
Yes, so I want that script, yes. So let's just say in here, in the Unit 6b table, for example. Okay, under the table here, you can click here and then right click, right? Go into that new database table design. You can just close it, don't open anything. So this design here, I can go right click in here and create a new table. Okay, so just say this is the employee table. Okay, so you can say the first one is going to be employee ID. That would be maybe numeric of 5, and the second would be like first name, varchar. I'm gonna just accept the default, and this will be then L name and varchar, right? So once I'm done with that, maybe I put here like the phone type or phone ID, right? And this is my foreign key, for example. So I can go and click here and right click and make that the primary key. Okay, and I can save this, just control save and just save the diagram here first, and it's going to save it to that table down here, our database. So we got that one there, and then right click, create the second table. This could be the phone table, and then I have a phone ID, and that could be like a numeric, same thing, just 5, and I have the phone number, for example, or type, and they have the number. This could be like phone type, and this could be varchar, and this is also varchar. And this is the primary key. Right click that, primary key. Okay. Now, this is the foreign key for this one here. So I can go here and right click anywhere here. Right click on it and then go to relationships and then add a foreign key. Add, and you can rename this to maybe like employee and then phone type. Right? And then right here under the table in columns, click that on the right side, the drop down here. Go ahead and then pick which is table, which is the primary key, which is the foreign key. So the primary table is the phone here, right? So it should be the phone table. The primary key is the phone ID. The foreign key is for this employee table, and it should map to my phone ID. Okay, so I got that, and oh, I have the wrong type. Phone ID, yeah, different type. So I have to make sure they have the same type. Let's do it. What I have? No. Oh, this is varchar. You have to be the same type, right? Varchar 50. Phone type. Phone ID is 5. No, it's numeric 5. Yeah, they have to match. Do it again. Right click. Relationships. I already add that already. So on the table and column specification here, click that. The primary table is the phone. The primary key is this. If there are two primary keys, you have to select both of them, okay? Otherwise, just one. And then the employee table, match the phone ID here, and I have the foreign key created, and just close. So here we have it. They're connected to a table, okay? So we'll just save that. Didn't allow me. It's not permitted to change your may record the following tables to drop. If you see this, it says you have to drop the table to recreate. Sometimes because it assumes that you have data in there already, you can't alter it. When you design this, then all you do is basically you go back here to I think on the view, I don't remember what this one is. Is it view or is it no, tools. Tools, I think options, and I'll post this up so you know. Options under the designer, and uncheck this, prevent savings changes, okay? And just save it again. It should force that to be okay. Just save both of them. Okay, so now I got it. If I go to view my tables, and here they are. Okay, so now to get the script, you just do a right click and script table as create to new window. And here it gives you the script when this table was created. So basically you just copy this. Okay, just copy this and paste it in. Actually, if you want, I have the foreign key down here too, so maybe include the whole thing. It's from here to here, because we have the foreign key as the employee type here. Okay, you can omit this if you want, but basically this one here to that line, and then paste that into the all of them. It's up to you. I just need to see that this is created. And once you view it, once you're all done, then your table should look like this. Okay, you have the key here. Okay, one thing about this one here, you can always go back and modify the name, the data type, and the key, and so on. One thing you cannot do is you cannot arrange these order columns here. You cannot drag and drop, unfortunately. Once you type it, it's fixed like that. Oh, just in case if you want to choose two columns as your key, you basically select that and then I think click the columns. For example, let's just say I want to use this. If I turn this off, remove the primary key. If I want to use the employee ID and the first name as primary key, so I will select both of them. Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, select both of them. Or this and the phone number instead. I can select that, hold the control key. Okay, select from here, not in here, it won't work here. So select the ID, and if I want to use that in the phone ID as a primary key, then once those are selected, just right click on the dot here and make that a primary key. So now I have two keys. So it's a composite key. Okay, so that's again using the design mode. All right. Any questions?
You can use design mode for this assignment?
Yeah, you can design mode, it's fine. I just need, so once you paste, just get the script and paste it in there. Yeah, whatever is easiest for you. Because right now I know how you can create tables. But just make sure you know how to do that yourself too, though. Yeah, no, I mean, because when you work in the real world, you get to use this, and you have to know how to use it as well. It's actually a requirement nowadays, because it's so much faster this way for some people. So we like to do things visually. It's just more efficient that way. But you'll need to know, because sometimes this doesn't give you everything, okay? And when you have a system that is down, for example, you have to access directly from command line, then you have to know the commands. Okay. All right.
Can you show one more time how you said the sys command, whatever it was, where you showed after going through design mode and then you showed the commands?
To script the table up?
Yeah.
Yeah, to get this,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, sure. Any table over here, okay, just right click on any of these tables, okay, and go to script table as, it's going to generate the script when you create it. If you want to drop it, what does that create? What does the table, the function look like? It won't run. Yeah. We'll just say, and then when you create an alter, I think, right? I don't know. In the select to. So if you click select to, it will give you the command, the syntax to select. Okay. If you want to say, oh, I want to get the script how you generate this table, go to create and then add that to a query window. If you add to clipboard, it will save in memory, and then I can go back here and then and then paste it here. Okay, so it will show you the actual code. This is built by the SQL server here. So it's actually very, very efficient because it has everything in really a good syntax. You have all these square brackets and so on. So that's how you do it. And you want to select something out really quick, you just go in here and just say select the top 1,000 row. Okay, it will show you that information right away. This is a really quick way to do, and this is one of Darby's questions, the top something, right? So yeah, play with it, and let's see. So if you do right click, you have a lot of these information here. Feel free to explore, okay? And don't be afraid. If you crash it, well, just rebuild. Okay, this is a learning process. It's okay to crash your system, okay? He said, no. Oh, okay, maybe we should have a backup first if we do that. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Have a good week. And really have fun with those tables, okay? I really mean it. It's not horrible as bad as you may think, but you'll be happy after you did it. You say, oh, this is it?